First, they told you that you're lazy, broken, non compliant. But what if the real problem is the fuel you were told to eat? In the next few minutes, I'll show you why your body isn't failing you. Your biology's just been hijacked. So let's fix that. Hey everyone, my name is Marc Bates. I'm a metabolic health coach, and this is part of my question and answer series. Why you're not broken, just metabolically misdirected, and how to fix it. Okay, let's go to the question. This has been an extraordinary exploration of how one scientist's courage to challenge orthodoxy can reshape entire fields of knowledge. As we wrap up, I'm curious about your perspective on the practical implications for people today. Given everything we've discussed about Professor Noakes' research, the central governor model, metabolic flexibility, and the institutional resistance to these findings, what would you say is the most important takeaway for someone who wants to apply this knowledge to optimize their own metabolic health and performance? Well, that's just a great thought. It's thoughtful and meaningful on this journey we've been going on that you can connect at this point at such a deep connecting deep scientific insight, right? There is institutional resistance and personal empowerment, and the issue is how can we distill everything we've explored into a single powerful takeaway for someone ready to take action and fight the resistance, right? And this is what it is. You are not broken. You are metabolically confused, and your body is designed to heal when you stop fighting its biology and start fueling its design. The number one takeaway is metabolic health is not found in a pill, a guideline, or a lab result. It's built at the mitochondrial level through daily choices that restore your native metabolic flexibility. So here's what that means in practice. Okay? 1. Trust your biology, not the guidelines. The conventional wisdom that you got sick will not be the wisdom that makes you well. Your body was engineered to run on fat as a primary fuel, not grains, sugars, or ultra-processed starches. Start by removing what breaks you: seed oils, refined carbs, and frequent feeding. You were born metabolically flexible. You can reclaim it, not with discipline, but with design. 2. Your brain doesn't just respond to fuel, it manages it. Fatigue, hunger, and cravings aren't moral failings. They're brain-regulated safety mechanisms. When you become fat-adapted, the brain senses safety and stability, not crisis. You perform better because your body stops screaming for sugar and starts humming on fat and ketones. True power comes from removing the physiological panic that modern diets create. 3. Stop managing symptoms and start reversing root causes. If you have insulin resistance, brain fog, stubborn fat, fatigue, or inflammation, your cells are stuck in sugar burning mode. Medication may stabilize numbers, but it will never reprogram your mitochondria. Fat adaptation is not just a diet, it's a signal to your body to heal, rebuild, and regenerate. You don't need to push through, you need to turn onto the right pathway. Okay? Be your own case study. Professor Noakes changed the world because he changed himself first. Don't wait for permission from institutions that profit from your confusion. Start now, measure progress, and iterate. Do it again and again. You're not the audience of a system, you're the author of your biology. Okay? And final items. If you want to apply Noakes' legacy to your life, eliminate sugar, grains, and seed oils. Reclaim fat as your fuel. Move daily. Fast wisely. Rest intentionally. Eat like your ancestors, not your algorithms. And above all, challenge what isn't working. Start with curiosity, not fear. Because in the end, the most radical act of health you can take in a broken system is to get better. Sorry. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in there. Remember, we are building a community here. We're to help each other, to learn more, and to get better. If you have any ideas for things you'd like me to cover in more detail, leave it as a comment and let me work on it for you. All right? And as always, if you haven't done so yet, like, subscribe, share this video with someone you like. Maybe even someone you don't like, it doesn't matter. Help somebody. Get the information in their hands. I appreciate everything you've done. Thank you so much.